The idea of making money while you sleep is the ultimate bait for anyone looking to escape the daily grind. It is the hook that draws us into these shiny new apps promising a shortcut to the good life without any of the hard work. You have probably seen the ads for platforms like InVolo lately. They paint a picture of a world where you do not need to know a thing about complex charts or global market trends. The pitch is simple. Just follow the experts and watch your balance grow. It sounds like a dream come true for a beginner. But lately, that dream is turning into a massive headache for a lot of people who took the plunge. The marketing is incredibly slick. They make the onboarding process feel like a total breeze. You sign up and the app immediately pushes you to deposit your hard-earned cash. They want you to start copying trades with just one click. It is a low-friction entry funnel. It is designed to get you in the door before you have time to think twice or do your own research. But once you are inside the system, the walls start to crumble fast. People are reporting some seriously weird technical glitches that should never happen on a legitimate platform. We're talking about basic stuff that just does not work. You try to log in and get stuck in an infinite loop of security tests that never end. Or you try to put your money in, and the app hits you with a network error over and over. That is a massive red flag. If a platform is eager to take your money, but cannot even keep the login screen working properly, you have to wonder where that money is actually going. Some users have even seen their accounts disabled the very second they finish registering. It is like being invited to a party and then getting kicked out before you even get through the front door. There are also reports of verification processes that fail for no reason. You upload your documents and wait for days. Then the system resets and asks for everything all over again. It feels like a stalling tactic. Then there are the hidden fees. Everyone expects a trading platform to take a small cut. But transparency is the most important thing. Users are finding out about massive hidden costs only after their profits start disappearing into thin air. It is a classic bait and switch. The most terrifying part is the withdrawal process, though. There are horror stories of people trying to move their crypto out and the funds just vanishing. No confirmation arrives in their wallet. No customer support agent answers the chat. The money is just gone. When you look at the reviews online, the contrast is startling. You see these short, generic, positive ratings that sound like they were written by a script. They lack any real detail about how the platform actually works. Then you see the detailed, long-form warnings from real people who lost their savings. These users describe operational failures that should be impossible in a modern app. It is a classic case of a high-risk gamble masquerading as a revolutionary financial tool. You have to be so careful with where you park your money these days. If a system feels too easy, it usually is a trap. The lack of bank withdrawal confirmations is a huge warning sign that cannot be ignored. It is one thing to have a buggy app with a few glitches. It is another thing entirely to have a platform that acts like a black hole for your finances. You should be extremely cautious before you even think about linking your bank account to something like this. The promise of automated wealth is enticing, but the reality for many users has been a total loss of access to their own funds. Do not let the shiny interface distract you from the fact that your capital is at serious risk here. Always look for platforms with a long history of verified payouts. If the red flags are this loud, it is time to walk away and protect your wallet.